All right, we're talking weather this Tuesday, and again, a couple of WFAA weather alert days to tell people about.
Unfortunately, and it's because of this. We're going to see weather that's impactful over the weekend. That means you could see your kids' soccer practice or soccer games canceled. You could see the Easter egg hunts maybe delayed, and it's because of rain. We have WFAA weather alert days for Saturday night, Sunday included in that. We'll have a better idea in a more narrow time frame the closer we get to it. So I need you to keep checking back in with me. But the impact will be with isolated storms that could contain up to quarter-size hail, up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and the heavy rain. This does not mean that everyone sees storms. This does not mean that everyone sees the hail and the strong winds. Again, make sure to stay updated. That's what you need to do. Have a way to receive warnings and staying updated. You can do that by downloading our WFAA app on your mobile device completely free, and WFAA Plus on your smart TV. Our temperature over the weekend is actually not going to be that bad. 80 degrees on Saturday, 78 on Sunday. On Good Friday, it's going to be warm, a high of 87 with cloud cover. We'll notice the cloud cover stick around through the weekend with about 40% coverage of storms Saturday, 50% coverage of storms on Sunday. By the way, Sunday morning, sunrise is at 6:51. Today, not a worry in the weather world. We're looking at a blue sky overhead, temperature of 66 degrees, and the high today will be 76. This is going to be noticeably cooler than the last couple of days, and 76 is actually exactly where we should be this time of the year. The next couple of days, though, we'll have the temperature climbing rather quickly, and it's all thanks to a breezy south wind, so we'll be back into the 80s. This is anywhere between 7 to 12 degrees warmer than what's considered normal. That strong south wind not only helps the temperature climb, but also helps the humidity climb. So you'll notice that muggy feel in the air the next several days. So here's what's happening. We have this ridge of high pressure. That's why we see the sunshine today. It slowly but surely moves off towards the east. And as that happens, this big area of low pressure puts us in the right position to see a few rounds of rain as early as Friday night into Saturday morning. Here's a look at Friday, mostly cloudy. That's 7 p.m. Now, late Friday, Saturday morning, right around sunrise, we'll see that rain mainly along our western counties. We have a front that's going to stall out, and where that front sets itself up is where we're going to see the heaviest rain. So this is where the rounds of rain will set themselves up. Saturday afternoon, I'm showing you around 5, and you can see a lot of it is along our western counties. With that being said, we could very well see it moving along the I-35 corridor counties as well, including Dallas and Tarrant County, Rockwall County as well. And then here's Saturday night going into Sunday. You'll see that next system coming in. Again, this could impact a few Sunday sunrise services. Severe weather outlook already puts us in a level 2 slight risk on Saturday for most of North Texas, and for Sunday, the eastern half of North Texas, still a slight level 2. We could also pick up 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. So not only are we looking at that potential for some severe storms over the weekend, we're also looking at some heavy rain that could lead to some flooding. So until then, enjoy the outdoors, prep your homes, prep your lawns. You know what to do. You know the drill. Temperatures are going to climb into the 80s the next several days. Then we're looking at the WFAA weather alert days on Saturday going into Sunday. And then next week, still looking a little unsettled. Highs in the low 80s, upper 70s with a rain chance slim, but daily for next week.